What to know before getting porcelain veneers. Porcelain veneers have the potential to completely transform your smile. If you're thinking about getting veneers, it's important to understand what they can offer, how they're placed, and what it takes to maintain them. Today, we're diving into everything you should know before getting porcelain veneers. 1. What are porcelain veneers? Porcelain veneers are thin, custom-made shells crafted from dental porcelain that cover the front of your teeth. They're designed to improve the appearance of teeth that may be discolored, chipped, misaligned, or spaced unevenly. 2. Benefits of porcelain veneers. The main benefits of porcelain veneers include aesthetic improvement. Veneers can enhance the color, shape, and alignment of your teeth. Stain resistance. Porcelain is resistant to stains, keeping your smile bright. Natural appearance. Veneers mimic the translucency of natural teeth, making them look lifelike. 3. The procedure for getting veneers. The process of getting veneers involves a few steps. 1. Consultation. You'll discuss your smile goals with your dentist and have an oral health assessment. 2. Preparation. A small amount of enamel is removed to ensure a snug fit. 3. Impressions. Molds of your teeth are taken to create your custom veneers. 4. Placement. When ready, the veneers are bonded to your teeth with a special adhesive. 4. Maintenance tips. Porcelain veneers require proper care to keep them looking their best. Here's how to maintain them. Oral hygiene. Brush and floss daily to keep your veneers and natural teeth healthy. Avoid hard foods. Try to avoid biting directly into hard foods to prevent chips. Regular checkups. See your dentist regularly for cleanings and any adjustments if needed. 5. Longevity and durability. With the right care, porcelain veneers can last 10 to 15 years or longer. Their lifespan depends on factors like oral hygiene, diet, and habits. Routine checkups and taking preventive measures are essential to prolonging their durability. 6. Things to consider before getting veneers. It's also essential to consider some potential downsides before getting veneers. Cost. Veneers can be costly and are often not covered by insurance as they're considered cosmetic. Irreversibility. The procedure usually involves removing enamel, so once you have veneers, you'll need them or another restoration. Potential sensitivity. Some people experience sensitivity to hot and cold after getting veneers. Limited lifespan. Eventually, veneers will need to be replaced. 7. The dark side of veneers. There are a few challenges to be aware of, often called the dark side of veneers. Enamel removal. Removing enamel is irreversible and can make your teeth more sensitive. Damage risks. Veneers are durable but can still chip or crack if not handled with care. Color discrepancy. Natural teeth can darken over time, potentially creating a mismatch with the veneers. 8. Is getting veneers right for you? Porcelain veneers offer both aesthetic and functional benefits. They're ideal for improving minor misalignments, concealing discoloration, and even protecting teeth from grinding. However, since veneers require enamel removal, the choice is permanent, so it's a big decision. 9. Important factors to consider. Before making a decision, discuss the following with your dentist. Your goals. Think about what you want to change, whether it's minor tweaks or a full smile makeover. Oral health. Veneers work best on healthy teeth and gums. Any existing issues need to be addressed first. Budget. Be upfront with your dentist about your budget to explore the best options for you. Lifestyle. Your habits and daily routine can impact the longevity and care of veneers. 10. The veneer process explained. Let's break down the steps for getting porcelain veneers so you know exactly what to expect. 1. Consultation. You'll discuss your goals and explore veneer options. 2. Smile design. Many dentists use software to show how veneers will look before starting. 3. Preparation. Your dentist will carefully shape your teeth, take impressions, and place temporary veneers. 4. Bonding day. After a few weeks, your custom veneers are bonded to your teeth, providing a flawless finish. 11. Caring for your veneers. Proper care can help your veneers last as long as possible. Here are some quick tips. Use a soft bristled brush and non-abrasive toothpaste. Floss daily to maintain gum health. Avoid biting into hard foods or using your teeth as tools. Consider wearing a mouthguard if you grind your teeth. Limit drinks that can stain, like coffee and red wine. Conclusion: porcelain veneers are an incredible way to achieve a beautiful smile and boost your confidence. They offer many benefits, from aesthetic improvement to durability, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons. Consult with a trusted dentist, maintain realistic expectations, and take great care of your veneers to enjoy a stunning, long-lasting smile. If you're considering porcelain veneers, we hope this guide helps you make an informed decision. A brighter, healthier smile is just a consultation away.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.